Hi Creative Crafters, it's Soda Creative Corner here, and what I'm showing you is 4 new tags that I'm working on, and I'll go in a little more about each tag. And here are some tags that I've already finished. And these parchment paper transfers, I put a little saying on there. And this is a pretty cool piece. I just added the owl. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the owl. Maybe you can leave a comment down below whether you like the owl on it or not. But it says trust your crazy ideas. So you have don't let them mess with your mind and squash your dreams. Like a head and a pumpkin. Full pearl. I'm still on the fence with the owl. I think it's pretty cool though. I took one of the paper dolls, Tim Holtz, and gave this doll feet. She's made out of air clay from a mold. Then I have these 2 faces here that I was thinking about putting it on the dog. It is a Halloween card after all. So we have that one. And then this alien face. There's the alien face. So you can help me out and tell me what you think. Either or none. You just keep the dog. That's fun too. I have a little chain that I'm going to use as a leash. And it'll say Happy Halloween. And then this one is another paper dolls, but I added some face molds on it here. I gave her a little doll. I gotta work on everything. We're just auditioning right now. I gave him this hat. I have a little paper ball in there so it doesn't smash down. And his face. So that's what I'm thinking there. This all comes apart. They're all layered. She has a doll head. And I gave her neck all these little punches I put together. And I have this little plastic for clay. These are made out of epoxy clay. The paper flower I made. These different molds that I just have to finish up. This one's made out of Tyrek paper and polymer clay and a jewelry piece, mold earring with the micro beads. The back that she's on is a tie back, and then this is just fiber paste that acts like paper. So that's what I'm working on the Soto's Creative Corner. And I think as far as with my jewelry, I bit off more than I could chew, so I got a new jewelry channel just dedicated to jewelry making. Hope you're all having a beautiful Saturday. Be safe, take care, and until the next one, stay crafty. Soto's Creative Corner. God bless. Bye for now.